Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Bros Inasal franchise business. Bros Inasal, a notable Filipino restaurant chain focusing on Bacolod-style Inasal, offers a compelling franchise opportunity. This proposal highlights the benefits of joining, including brand strengths, support systems, investment requirements, and potential returns, showcasing significant growth potential in the Philippine market. Their mission to serve delicious, authentic Filipino grilled meals and cafe beverages in a fast, affordable, and comfortable setting. They are committed to preserving the rich flavors of authentic taste Bacolod Inasal while embracing modern fast food and cafe culture to provide a satisfying experience for every Filipino customer. Their vision to become the leading Filipino inasal and cafe chain nationwide, where traditional flavors meet modern taste, creating a go-to destination for comfort food, casual dining, and community connection. For the product menu, they offer main dishes like chicken inasal, picho, and paa, available spicy and regular flavor, pork liempo and barbecue, sisig, fried chicken, burger steak, and combo meals. They also offer pasta and merienda meals like spaghetti, pancit canton, chicken alfredo, and french fries. They also have drinks, desserts, and coffees like floats with multiple flavor selections, coffee, Pinoy halo-halo, and juices. For the franchise packages, they offer inline store package with a franchise package worth 2.6 million pesos with the store space requirement 120 square meter and up. Second, for the standalone store with a franchise package of 5.2 million pesos with the store space requirement from 200 square meters and up. For the financial plan, the initial investment is from 1.6 million to 5.2 million pesos. Gross profit margin estimates from 50 to 65%, and the break-even point is within 8 to 12 months. For the sustainability and growth potential, strong ROI, scalable model for future branches, and opportunity for franchising after year 2. For the application requirements, you need to submit the following documents. Number 1, letter of intent. Number 2, completed application form. Number 3, 2 valid IDs with signatures. Number 4, location sketch. Number 5, latest financial statement. For the application process, here's the procedure. Number 1, submit your complete requirements at franchisingbrosinasal@gmail.com. Number 2, site ocular inspection and approval. Number 3, face-to-face interview meeting. Number 4, payment and contract signing. Number 5, store renovation setup preparation. And number 6, store opening. For the equipment's delivery, you must be fully paid for the package amount. It takes 2 to 3 weeks after payment. For the initial order, at least 100,000 pesos above. For Metro Manila door-to-door, free of charge. Outside Metro Manila, shipping fees shouldered by franchisee. For the after-sales service, they provide lifetime support, monthly random inspection, crew and management training. They provide manual for standard operating procedure. For the advantages of franchising, unique concept. This concept merged traditional Filipino inasal dishes with a contemporary cafe atmosphere, attracting a diverse range of customers. High demand for Filipino food. Combines traditional Filipino inasal dishes with a modern cafe experience, appealing to a wide market segment. Affordable yet profitable menu. Low-cost ingredients can offer significant markup potential, particularly for rice-based dishes and beverages. Daily meal relevance. Serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, engaging customers all day long. Flexible business model. Effective in malls, near schools or offices, or as a standalone branch. Scalable or franchisable. Strong brand identity potential. Filipino-inspired interiors, genuine flavors, and contemporary branding foster a lasting impression. For the marketing and operations analysis, demand for affordable, flavorful meals is rising, especially in urban areas. Filipinos enjoy dining in places with familiar dishes and attractive spaces. Bros Inasal can attract a diverse client by blending a fast food model with a cafe experience, appealing to lunch crowds and coffee lovers. Strategy: grand opening with promos like buy one get one Inasal free coffee. Social media campaigns in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Collaborations with local influencers, and they give loyalty cards and student discounts. For the operations plan, location: high foot traffic area near schools, offices, or malls. Staff: 8 to 12 team members, cook, servers, baristas, and cashier. POS system and online ordering platform. For the branding, Bros Inasal has established a strong reputation built upon authenticity. The recipes adhere strictly to traditional Filipino cooking methods, delivering a unique experience. Premium ingredients: they utilize only the highest quality ingredients, ensuring consistent, exceptional flavor and product quality. Strategic pricing: their competitive pricing strategy maximizes market reach while maintaining profitability. Proven track record: their existing locations demonstrate consistent financial performance and strong customer loyalty, signifying substantial potential for new franchisees. For the contact information: for inquiries, partnerships, or franchise opportunities, please contact Bros Inasal with the address La 3 Antero Soriano Highway, Tanza, Cavite. You may contact them with the telephone number +63 977 168 8210. You can visit their website at www.brosinasal.com. You can send them an email at brosfranchising@gmail.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the Bros Inasal franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next franchising videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.